In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover an unsaved file from AutoRecover locations in PowerPoint. Whether it's due to a power outage or an unexpected crash, losing your work can be incredibly frustrating. Luckily, there is a feature in PowerPoint called AutoRecover that can come to your rescue. This guide will walk you through the process of retrieving your unsaved presentation efficiently. First, you'll want to launch PowerPoint on your desktop. Simply open the program as you usually would when starting a new project. PowerPoint is pretty good at saving on the go, but just in case something interrupts your workflow, it's essential to know how AutoRecover works. Once you're in PowerPoint, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the File tab. Click on it to access the menu. This area contains several helpful options, including the one we're after today. In this menu, look for the Info section. It provides you with a detailed overview of your document, among other things like properties and settings related to your presentation. Next, once you're in the Info section, your focus should be on finding the Versions heading. This is where PowerPoint keeps track of your document's versions, especially unsaved ones. Versions is a small link, so look carefully as it's crucial for our recovery process today. Clicking on Versions will expand the options available to you. Here, you'll want to select Manage Versions. This will provide a drop-down list. Among these options, you'll see Recover Unsaved Presentations. Selecting this will prompt PowerPoint to open a folder that contains any presentations that were saved by the AutoRecover feature. AutoRecover periodically saves your work without you even realizing it, so this folder can be a lifesaver. Once the folder opens, browse through the list of unsaved files and select the one you want to recover. It might seem a bit cluttered if you have multiple unsaved versions, so take your time to find the right one. When you double-click on the presentation, it will open in PowerPoint, just as you left it before the interruption occurred. Now, for the most critical step, be sure to save the recovered file immediately. Use the Save as function to store your file in a safe location on your computer where you can easily find it later. Ideally, save it with a name that makes sense to you and in a spot that's regularly backed up or convenient for your workflow. This straightforward process can truly save you a lot of stress and do wonders in terms of efficiency. AutoRecover is one of those functions you hope you never need, but when you do, you're grateful it's there. Remember to make this part of your routine, and you'll never have to worry about unsaved files again. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave comments if you have any questions.